Hello everyone, I'm Lila. Welcome to my dreamland. Last time we stopped here, so before we ended the telephone sign on the top of this part, we make a chamfer on this window like this before. Okay, so now let's select the chamfer tool here. Chamfer, and the depth is 0.5 millimeter and the angle is 45 degree. So we select the face of this. You can zoom in a little bit, then you can select the face, the whole face. Select this face. Okay, now all the edges are selected. And rotate a little bit. And zoom in and select this face. Okay. And then rotate to this way. Select the whole face. Okay, now the last one. Rotate. Select this face. Remember, make sure you select the face, not like the edge, something like this. So we need to select the face. Okay, now select all the face and all the section is done. So click the green check. Okay, now we made some chamfer on these windows. You can see the difference. It now seems pretty. Okay, now we hold the control one. This is the face. This is the front view. So I want to use this view to do the first one. Select the top face. Click the top face and the extrude base. Now make the sign of the telephone sign frame. Now select the center rectangle. Draw a rectangle. And select dimension, hold the control the center and the original point, make them vertical. Okay, now give some smart dimension of this. The height of this is 6 millimeter. Distance from the original point to the center is 4 millimeter, and the total length of this is 36.5 millimeter. Okay, now exit the sketch. Extrude outside the arrow point this way. See, point this way. So the depth of this is 1 millimeter, and a green check. Okay, now we cut the hole for the telephone sign. So select the face we made and extrude cut. This time you use the offset entity. And the depth of this is 0.5 millimeter. And we select the outside edge of this. We want reverse point inside. Okay, now green check. Exit the sketch. We want cut inside. Cut inside this, and then we got the frame for the telephone sign. So the cut depth is 1 millimeter and the green check, and the cut inside. Okay, like this. And then next we make a crown for the telephone sign, because it's the inline style. They have queen. Okay, now select this face again and extrude base. Okay, use the center line. Draw the reference center line like this. Okay, draw another. I'm gonna draw another center line. Horizontal center line. Make sure there's a yellow sign, the horizontal sign there, and then smart dimension. So this line from the center line is 1.5 millimeter. Okay. Now I'm gonna use the line tool. Draw something like this. Okay, select, and then use the mirror entity. Mirror this. Mirror it like this. Okay, you can adjust this a little bit. Okay, let's see. This part moving inside a little bit. Okay. Now I can use the center rectangular and draw a rectangular from the center is on the center line. So draw rectangular like this. Okay, now select. Okay, this is the cross line on the ground. Now I use the 3-point arc. Draw something like that, and draw another 3-point arc. Okay, select, and hold the control, select these two arc, make them tangent, and adjust this a little bit, make it looks nice. Okay, now I'll use the mirror again. Mirror these two arc to the other part. Okay, now this half is done. We need to draw another one. So select the 3-point arc again. I want to start from this point and draw arc like this. Draw another one. Okay. Select. Hold control, make this tangent. Okay, adjust this a little bit. Lower. Maybe inside. Okay. I want to make this a little bit longer. Move this part up, and this too. Move this a little bit up. Okay. Seems nice. Okay. Now use the mirror tool again. Click here. Click here. I want to mirror this two arc with the center line like this. Alright, almost done. Now select the center, the circle, center circle. Draw a circle with the center coincidence with the square we draw. So draw like this. Do not need touch each other. Just like this. Okay, select. Now use the trim tool, trim this off. Now escape the trim. Use the 3-point arc again. Draw arc. Try not to give them the relation. Draw arc like this. Okay, now select. And select the two ends of the arc, and select the center line and make it symmetric. I can adjust this. Just the height of this and the length, and I will use the 3-point arc again. So connected these 2 points. Draw something like this. Now select this one, and then select the line here. Make them tangent. Okay. And make this a little bit smaller. Make them tangent. Smaller like this. Okay. Now I use the mirror to again mirror this. Click clear and only mirror this part. Split this one. Okay, check. Okay, now this is top crown we made. we need to make a hole inside this. So select the 3-point arc again. Draw something, the similar thing like that, like the one we did before. Okay, now draw another one. Okay, now select and select the, two of them, make them tangent. Tangent, okay, seems nice. Seems nice. Now we use the mirror entity. Mirror this one also. Mirror this one with the. Okay, now 3-part arc again. Do another one here. Okay, another one. Okay, select and make 2 of them tangent. Adjust this a little bit to be inside. Okay, seems better. Now mirror again. Use this. Okay, and check. Okay. I think we can end some circle on the bottom of this. So select the circle. This is the ruby and all this. Three. Okay, left. And hold Control. Select all of them and make them equal size. And green check. And adjust the position a little bit. So move them a little bit. Be higher. We're gonna use the mirror to clear here. And mirror the 3 circle with the center line. Okay, now go and check. We will do the extrude base later, so we do not. For example, like this part, we want it to be a hole. We need to close this part. So now select the line and connect it to these 2 points. And also this we want it to be a hole. So close this sketch. And also this sketch, and also this one. Okay, now this is the line. Now the whole thing is the whole crown now is the whole piece. We can extrude. I think we can leave it like this. We do not need to fully define this. If you want to fully define this, you can use the right click and fully define, and the green check. And I want to point outside. So you can select here like this. Okay. The depth is 1 millimeter and the green check. Okay. Now this is the crown we have. This crown is better because you have the small hole here. Okay. Now we're gonna mirror this this frame for the telephone sign and the crown, and then next we're gonna make the telephone sign. So remember the plane we did before, so show this plane and we select the mirror. First we use the plane one as our mirror reference, and we want to mirror this after the chamfer, so this one and this extrude base. Select this, so green check. Okay, I'll get 2 of them. We mirror again, use the front plane, and also after the chamfer 2, 3, except the mirror. Okay, now green check. Okay, once more, use the mirror again. This time use the right plane, and we select the mirror 7. Okay, green check. Okay, now we have 4 of them on each wall. Hide the plane like this. Now I'm gonna make the telephone sign. Control 1 is the front view. So I'm gonna select this face. I'm gonna make the telephone sign from this face first. So it's to the boss. Okay. Now let's make some reference frames for all these letters. we're gonna draw a center, draw a corner rectangle from this corner to this corner. Okay, and then select. I can give some dimension of this. The dimension of this is 3.5 millimeter. Okay, now select. Now we use the linear sketch pattern, and this is the x-axis. This is the 12 millimeter, and the number 9. And the feature we want to make is this one. 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Because we have 9 letters, so green check, and select from the right part. Drag all of them, and then for construction, because we won't show them in later. Now we make the letters. So now we select the. Let's see this. Okay, all of them now is the. For construction, use the corner rectangle, draw from this corner. This is letter T. Draw another one. Okay, we need the middle point, the point. So select the top line like this, and then they're gonna show the middle point of the line. So select the middle point. We're gonna put a point here, and draw a center line from the point. Okay, select, and select the 3 of them and make them symmetric. This is now letter T. We want to make this line and hold the control, and this line they have the same equal length, and trim this off. And remember, there's still a small one on the top. Yes. Maybe I'm gonna click all of them. Okay, I'm gonna draw another one. Draw another line connecting them. Okay, T. Now next is the E. Use the corner. Draw like this. Okay, this is E, and we make all of them select this one, hold control, this one, no, this one, sorry, clear, this line, hold control, this one, and this one, make them equal. Okay, go and check. Now I'm gonna trim them, trim off. Okay, trim off. Trim down this part, still part left. Trim this off. Trim off. Okay, now only one left. Okay, now this, and this time we're gonna select this one and hold the control. Select this one, make them equal. Clear. So all of them, this one, and this one, make them equal. Okay, this is letter. So there's no line left here. Oh, I cannot trim here, so I'm gonna use the line again. Okay, now the E is closed, letter E is closed. And then L, the corner to this line. Right, and select this one, hold the control, select this one, make them equal, and then trim. We should remember we're gonna trim this off. Okay, this is the letter L. And okay. Now this is we're gonna make another E. We can copy this. So right click and select here, and Control C, and we can make the Control V. We got another letter E. We can put it here. So we can select the move entity here, and this is the E we selected, and the start point we want to start from this point. So you can move just the start point, just the left click, and that's all. Then you can move it and move to this point and then click again. Okay, now this is another E. The letter P. First we use the corner rectangle, draw this, and then we use the center point arc, try not to give them the relation. And then use the 3-point arc, draw arc like this. Okay, and make them tangent. This one and this one, make them tangent. Okay, you can drag this a bigger. Drag this bigger. Drag this up a little bit. And make this one and hold the control, and then this line make it tangent. I'm gonna trim off this. Okay, now adjust the P a little bit, make it seems better. Make it seems better. Okay, now draw a circle inside. Okay. Now this is the letter P, and next is the H. We draw H before, so H still we use the corner rectangle. Draw H like this. Another one. Remember the frame, so the frame makes the letter seems the same size. So okay, I'm gonna use the center line. Draw a center line from the midpoint of these two edges. Okay, now use the line to draw a line. Try not to give them the relation. Just the horizontal. No, I'm gonna use the mirror. Mirror this line with the center line. Okay, then you can adjust it. Use the trim to trim this off. Yes. Trim this off. Okay. Now adjust this a little bit higher. Okay, maybe like this. Select this one, hold the control. So this one, make them equal. Okay. Now O. So we're gonna use the center line. Draw a center line like this. Okay. Now escape. We select this ellipse. Draw. See the center here. Draw from here, like try not touch it, just really close but not touch it. Okay, now draw like this. Okay, now another one, no touch. Okay, this is O. Okay, letter A, N, corner rectangle. Draw like this. Okay, now use the line to draw from this corner and this, and the line again, this time from this corner somewhere here. Okay, and make them parallel. Select this one and this one, make them parallel. Okay, and adjust this bit, just this. Okay, now trim this off. Trim this off, trim this off. Okay. Select this edge and hold the control. Select this edge, make them equal. Okay, and this point is vertical. And this point and the relation vertical. Okay. And the last one is the letter E. We can use the same one, still copy, so Control-P, we put one here. See the move entity, and here the starter base point. We select this point, and now you can move it and put on this point. Okay. Now get all these letters, we just want to make them equal. Remember, each letter we make the edges all the same, so now we select each edge of them. So like select this one, hold the control. Select this one, and the P, and this one. The O is to not worry about it. We're gonna adjust it by hand. Make them equal. Green check, and now you can adjust the one. See if the size is okay. If the size is okay, just leave it. Okay, seems okay. We're gonna make this a little bit. So try this bigger, make it bigger. Make this smaller. So make the letter O bigger. You want to make sure the size, this part, inside a little bit. Okay. Oh, this one is a little bit small. Okay, seems now all the letters is done. Okay, now we I just leave it like this. So extrude the sketch. The depth of this I want a 0.5. Green check. Okay, now one of the sign is done. We're gonna copy this because the letters we cannot mirror it. If we mirror, then we're gonna the sequence of the letter gonna be disturbed. It's so weird. It's not the right word. So we need to copy this. See this? I want to show this sketch, and then select this face and extrude the base. Now I'm gonna click this sketch and Control C, copy this, and click anywhere, Control V, put it here. The same move entities, the starter point, I wanted the original point here. See? Wait for a little while, now you can move this. So make this zoom in, and I want to click this point. Okay. See, I moved this one here. Just the green exist the sketch. And the 0.5, depth is 0.5 point outside, and the green check. Okay. The similar to the others. This one, and the extrude base. Oh, this one I don't want to show it, just hide it. And Control V, this one is here, and move entities, point from this point. wait for a little while. Just need some time to calculate. Okay, now you can move it, zoom in, and just put this corner. Put on this corner. Exit the sketch. And a 0.5 depth. Okay, now the last one. This one, and extrude base. Anywhere, and Ctrl V. Move entities. Start from this point. Wait for a little while. Okay, now you can move it. Zoom in. Go to this point. Okay. Now exit the sketch. And the depth of this is 0.5. Green check. Okay. Now we get all of them. I want to end the base on the bottom. So rotate like this. Select the bottom face and extrude base. Now you're gonna draw a center rectangle. Doesn't matter. Just make it bigger. And select these two edge. Control select them. Make them equal. And green check. Okay. Now select one of this edge. And zoom in a little bit, hold Control, select the outside edge, make them collinear. Now we fully define the sketch. So exist. We want to make the extrude downward. So the depth is 5 mm. Exist the sketch. Okay, this is the base of the telephone booth. Now I'm gonna change the color of everything. So first select the part name and the appearance. I want to change the color of the whole thing to red. Which red is better? Maybe this better. Okay, green check. This is the color of this. We're gonna change color of this. So now see here, appearance, click here and paint on the screen, on the screen. And this appearance, I want to change the size of because the color I don't like it is not shiny, so I want to use the brush. So let's see which one. Crown, chamfer. Okay, so maybe not this one. Okay, so this one. I want to change the color. Change this to this color. Appearance. Sign of the telephone. Box extrude. Sign of the telephone. Still this color. Appearance to this color. This one. Hold the shift till this one. And all this. Now there's a telephone, the letter we change it to this one. I'll change the color of this. Mirror. Let's see what's gonna happen. No, everything gonna change to. Okay. Now we just need to select the mirror. And that's it. Click back. And pin off this. Okay, this is the telephone booth we made. But this is not finished yet because I'm gonna make a door on this telephone booth. Then you can open it and close it, and I will enter the telephone inside the telephone booth. So this is just the basic model of the telephone booth. I'm gonna make more other details inside this telephone booth next time. So thanks for watching and hope you like it. See you next time. Bye bye.